Friends, now I want to explain in the gas state second law, that is Charles law. What is Charles law? This law is at constant pressure for given mass of the gas, the volume of the gas is directly proportional to the temperature. In that case, V is equal to kT, V by T is equal to K. K is the constant. This is the constant. Then we write two different gases, V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. This we know. For this we have to draw the graph volume versus T, temperature T. The pressure remains constant, means Y is equal to mx graph. Mx type of graph. For this graph, we take another graph by different pressures, volume versus T, P1, P2, pressure P3. What is the relationship between these P1, P2, P3? This question is regularly come in the examination. P1 is greater than R, P2 R, we have to find out which one. For this, we have to identify PV is equal to nRT, ideal gas, V is equal to nR by P into T. This is for the ideal gas equation. We know V is equal to K into T. K remains constant. We compare K with nR by P. Here N is constant, R is constant, pressure also constant, but different pressures they have given. That's why the slope K is direct inversely proportional to the 1 by P. If K increases, automatically K increases means slope increases, the pressure is decreases because reciprocal. That's why the smaller slope will be the higher pressure. That's why P3 is greater than P2 is greater than P1. This is the relation. Then we also find out the log by applying the log V versus log T. This is the slope is 1, that is positive slope. That's why the graph is like this. Similarly, if you take in case of Gilles law, volume will be constant, then pressure is directly proportional to T. Pressure versus T, that is also called as a Gilles law. P by T is equal to Q, P1 by T1 is equal to P2 by T2. Similar graphs will appear in case of Gilles law also. Thank you friends. This is about Charles and Gilles law.